Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to enter Apps and Notifications section, go to the Advanced, Special App Access, Install Unknown Apps. Here you can see the whole list of the apps for which you can install unknown apps. Let's select, for example, Chrome, and then tap Enable this feature, allow from this source, and now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome. You can do the same thing to the basic browser, to Google Drive, and other apps from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.